Hello, my name is Dr. Ernesto Lee. In the vast AI landscape, the question isn't merely who is using AI, but rather who is not. The reach of AI, it spans industries and job roles and business scales, from tech giants to brand new startups. The allure of AI's potential is universal. However, while the adoption is widespread, the depth of understanding it varies, creating a distinct need for training. So, when we speak of skills and tools, the spectrum is diverse. Companies are exploring programming languages like Python and R, leveraging frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and delving deep into large language models like ChatGPT. Yet, the true essence isn't just in knowing these tools, but in effectively integrating them into business solutions. So, how do we uncover a prospect's need? And that begins, of course, with asking the right questions. How is your organization currently leveraging AI? Which tools and technologies form the backbone of your AI initiatives? What challenges have you encountered in your AI journey? Are there any specific areas where you see potential for AI but lack the expertise? Engaging in a sales call, especially from an SME perspective, it's an intricate dance of knowledge sharing and need discovery. I recall a discussion that I had with a potential client from the healthcare sector. The conversation began with their interest in natural language processing for medical records analysis. But as we dove deeper, their excitement, you could hear it in their voice. They began to see the broader potential, from optimizing appointment scheduling to predictive analytics for patient outcomes. Now, uncovering the need, it's a blend of active listening with probing. It's about identifying gaps in their current operations and showcasing how AI can bridge them. For instance, if a client mentions challenges in customer support, then an AI-driven bot might be a solution. If they speak of vast amounts of unstructured data, perhaps it's a use case for data analytics powered by machine learning. But identifying a use case involves mapping the challenges to AI solutions. It's not just about selling a product or a service, it's about crafting a narrative of transformation, of growth, of uncharted potential. So, the AI realm, it offers boundless opportunities. But to truly harness these opportunities, businesses need guidance, coaching, training, and insights. And that's where you come in. Understanding their journey, identifying their needs, and positioning yourself not just as a salesperson where this is my customer, but as a partner in their AI odyssey. So, until the next time.
So we've just scratched the surface, and if you're ready to dive deeper, head on over to triveratech.com to see our full course catalog. Got burning questions or topics you'd like to see us cover? Share them in the comments. We are all ears. Oh, and speaking of not missing out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed our content, and ring that bell to be updated when we post our next video. The AI-powered future is right around the corner, and Trivera Tech is here to help guide you through it. Until next time.